In my last video, I talked about what forex is, what is traded on the foreign exchange, how the exchange rate of a currency versus other currencies is a reflection of the condition of that country's economy compared to the other countries' economies. Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Olufela Emiton, popularly known as Ika, and in today's video I'll be talking about how the forex market works, which currencies can be traded in the market, when currencies can be traded, why trade foreign currencies, what do you need to start trading forex, and what it costs to start trading forex. The forex market is different from every other financial market like the New York Stock Exchange, as it does not have a physical location or central exchange. It operates electronically among a network of banks 24 hours a day, making it an over-the-counter or interbank market. In the past years, only large institutions could participate in forex trading, but with the advent of online trading, retail traders now have access to this market. All you need to get started is a computer or your mobile phone and the high-speed internet connection, and as well the information contained in this channel. The FX Academy is designed to familiarize new or inexperienced traders with the key components of currency trading in an entertaining and simple way. So which currencies are actually traded? The most popular ones traded are the US United States dollar, the EUR European member, the JPY Japanese yen, GBP Great Britain pound, CHF Switzerland franc, CAD Canadian dollar, AED Australian dollar, also known as the Aussie, and the NZD New Zealand dollar, known as the Kiwi. Forex currency symbols are always three letters, where the first two letters identify as the name of the country and the third letter identifies as the name of the country's currency. When can this currency be traded? Forex market stands out among global markets. It's akin to a giant retail store that is open 24 hours a day. There's always a financial center somewhere around the world open for business, with banks and institutions exchanging currencies around the clock, with only minor breaks on weekends. The foreign exchange market operates in sync with the sun's movement across the globe, allowing trading at late hours for those that stay up all night or in the morning for the early riders. However, keep in mind that being early or trading late at night does not always ensure success in this market. You might secure a win, but a larger, more aggressive predator would also appear and snatch it all away. Pardon me for this short interruption. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on post notifications. Thank you. Let's get familiar with the time zones in the forex market. Now you need to know that there are three trading time zones where the market is usually volatile in regards to currency prices having this tendency to erupt violently, thereby causing a substantial impact. These time zones are what you want to be targeted to place your trades. You have the Asian session, which is also known as the Tokyo Open and Tokyo Close at about 12 a.m. to 2 a.m. Nigerian time, which is the GMT, Greenwich Meridian time. The London Open and the London Close at 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. still same Nigerian time because of similarities in our time zone. And finally, the New York Open and the New York Close, which is at 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. Nigerian time GMT. It's not as if you cannot trade the FX market outside these sessions, but trading during this session have a more significant impact on your trading accounts. Like I said earlier, the forex market is open 24 hours for 5 business days. Now, the forex market, also known as the over-the-counter market, is widely recognized as the largest and the most sought-after financial market worldwide. It is engaged in by numerous individuals and organizations on a global scale. In this market, participants have the autonomy to choose their trading partners based on trading conditions, price attractiveness, and the reputation of their counterparts. Of course, the US dollar holds the highest trade frequency, being a part of 89% of all transactions. The euro follows with a 31% share, while the yen holds a 20% share. So why trade foreign currencies? It offers numerous benefits and advantages that can't be overlooked. That's why many people are turning to this market for some good reasons or the other. First, there are no commissions no clearing fees, no exchange fees, no government fees, and no brokerage fees. Brokers are compensated through what they call the bid and ask spread, allowing for straightforward and transparent trading. Additionally, there are no middlemen involved. Spot currency trading cuts out the middlemen, enabling you to directly trade with the market, responsible for setting prices on a specific currency pair. Furthermore, there are no fixed lot size in the forex market. In spot forex, you get to determine your own lot size, which means that you can participate with accounts as small as $250, plus you get to enjoy the benefits of low transaction costs, typically less than 0.1% under normal market conditions. The excitement is real. Forex trading offers flexibility, transparency, and potential for significant savings. Let's dive in and take advantage of this incredible market. A 24-hour market is also open for 5 business days a week, allowing traders to choose their preferred trading times. No single entity can manipulate the market due to its vast size and numerous participants. Leveraging in forex is also a benefit that can result in significant profits with minimal risk, but proper risk management is crucial. The forex market's high liquidity also enables traders to buy and sell instantly with ease. Additionally, traders can utilize free demo accounts for practices, access news, charts, and analyze to enhance their trading skill before risking real money. Also, with the funding of mini and micro trading, it is also a great advantage for those looking to start trading currency. It also allows easy access to the forex market without requiring a large initial investment. In fact, it's compared to trading stocks, options, or futures. Forex brokers offer mini and micro trading accounts, some with a minimum account deposit of $300 or less. Now, no one is saying you should open an account with the bare minimum, but it does make forex much more accessible to the average individual who doesn't have a lot of startup trading capital. So far so good. With all being said, what tools do you need to start trading forex? Which I already mentioned before now. Which are the computer, the mobile phone with a high-speed internet connection, and all the information you can gather in this channel to begin to start trading foreign currencies. So what does it cost to start trading forex? An online currency trading account may be opened for with a couple of $100, which is a micro account or a mini account, whichever one that you choose, or its bigger cousin, the mini account, and are both good ways to get your feet wet without drowning yourself. For a micro account, you need at least $1,000 to start with, while for a mini account, you should have at least $10,000 so as to handle leverage and not get blown out in regards to poor risk management, which has brought us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Glory be to God forever for his infinite mercies and grace upon myself and the farm, and also seeing me through the making of this content. Let me know if you did enjoy this video guys. Please hit the like button, that is to let the YouTube algorithm know that you enjoyed this video, and this like button also helps push this content to more audiences, thereby making more and more people benefit from this content. Kindly also leave a comment. I do take my time to read through the comments and appreciate everything. Spam the comment box, like, subscribe to this channel, turn on post notifications so that you get notified when I drop another dope ass content. You can also follow us on other social media platforms, like FX Academy on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. My personal account is Olufela_Ika on Instagram. With that being said, bye for now. Catch you later.